Kinds of possibilities there. There's actually an interesting book written about the Star of Bethlehem by an astrophysicist, an astronomer. It's published by Rutgers University Press, so this is an academic book. But what this scientist suggests is, what if it was a convergence of planets and stars? And when the planets align, so to speak, and that's often used as some kind of portent or sign of something taking place. This scientist actually has combed the historical data and come up with a few possibilities. He said there was a conjunction of Jupiter, Saturn, the Moon, and the Sun within the constellation of Aries on April 17th, 6 BC. He said there was another conjunction, another alignment of the stars and planets between Jupiter, Venus, and the star Regulus. They met in the constellation of Leo on June 17th, 2 BC. And a third he mentions, there was a confluence or a conjunction of Jupiter, Saturn, and Mars in the constellation of Pisces in 6 BC. This particular scientist leans towards the earlier one, the April 17th, 6 BC. And our BCs, there's some confusion there. There's some interesting articles. Jeff Chadwick has taken that one on as well. Fascinating if you want to really dig into some of the history and the science and the astronomy and the possibilities. Fascinating. But when stars align, when planets and stars converge, there is such a brightness there that it's something that you wouldn't normally see. There's even a chance for it to move as the Earth is spinning, so one day it's this location and the next day it might be somewhere else, as opposed to the stars that are typically the same over long periods of time. Times you can see it and then you don't see it, and times you see it again. So anyway, fascinating things and possibilities, whatever it might be. It is wise men following light to find truth, to find the Savior. And as I've seen on many a Christmas card, and it's true if you mean it, then wise men are still doing likewise today. There's all kinds of possibilities there. There's actually an interesting book